In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the June gold contract, which is having a down session, but it's still up 2 of the last 3 sessions and is currently completing, since we're closed tomorrow, its second consecutive week higher on the future side of things. In those 2 weeks, they've amounted to a 2.6% of gold's recent gain. That recent gain, since the last time we were below 1900 on the gold futures, that was March 29th. Gold's up over 4.5%, but today it did finish the day down a little bit more than 0.5%. The high today, 1984, that was a 70-cent gap down from yesterday's settlement of 1984.70, and then the low, 1962.70, was down 1.11%, a little bit less than that actually, and obviously we came back a little bit. Now the ECB made a rate decision this morning, laid out their rate decision, and they strayed from the other central banks. Now, this was the expectation from the ECB. They left rates unchanged, and they basically stuck to their plan of ending their asset purchase program, as well as their PEP program, all within this year, the asset purchase in this quarter, third quarter rather, I should say, and they're going to reinvest the proceeds. So they're still considered to be in a dovish stance. That's a little different than Bank of Canada, which raised rates 50 basis points. The U.S. Central Bank, which is due to raise rates in the next meeting, 50 basis points. The New Zealand Central Bank, which also raised rates by 50 basis points. So they're straying away, and that's a little bit of a tailwind to gold because there is a major central bank out there still providing stimulus. Now, the markets are closed tomorrow, as I mentioned earlier, and position squaring on a long weekend is not unusual, and that may be part of the reason that gold is down just a little bit today. Early volume indicators are coming up with volume today lighter than yesterday, although that's not confirmed, not the final numbers. But if it was confirmed, it'd be a 4th consecutive session of falling volume. So take that for what it's worth, given the down day today.